Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to control the PTZ-140 using the SE-500MU Control App. The Control App does have a camera control feature in it, so you don't need to pair it with the SE-500MU, but you can use it without. So when you download it from our site, you're going to get a piece that looks like this. You're going to want to uncompress that or extract it, and you're going to get a folder out that looks like this here. You're going to enter that folder, and you're going to have one more to extract. You're going to extract this one here, and you're going to get this folder. When you open this folder up, you're going to go down to the bottom here. I'm going to close out. Go down to the bottom here, and you're going to see the one titled application, or type is application. Without the extension. So you're going to see SE-500MU Control. Going to double click that. It's going to open up to this splash screen, and then this is the interface for the control. This portion down here, this is all going to be related to the switcher itself. So if you're only using it to control cameras, you can disregard this part here. And then this part is going to be directed at the camera itself. So you can see you have presets here. You have camera selection. So if you have up to 4 cameras, zoom, pan and tilt control, and then white balance, focus, and iris. So right now, I do have a preset up, or one of the cameras connected to the network. So in order for this to work, the cameras and the computer need to be on the same network or linked in through a router, or just linked in together to where they can communicate. So if you kind of look right now, I'm controlling it using the toggle and not really getting anything. That's because we do need to do the initial setup. So we're going to go into menu, and we're going to go to connect. Connection, we're going to change this to connect, and we're going to hit apply. You're not going to really see any kind of communication or any changes down here. That's completely normal. And then one more step, we're going to hit scan. And once again, we're not really going to see a change in any of this here, because a lot of this is related to the switcher itself. So if we're just controlling cameras, you're not going to really see anything change in here. And in this part, you might not see anything immediately change, but as it kind of moves forward, it will show you that there are 2 cameras connected. There's an A, which is this IP here, and then there's a B, which is this IP here. So we're going to go to A, and we're going to hit OK. So now that we hit that, you can kind of see over on this part here that I am having some control of the camera. Right now it's slow. You can adjust the speed here, and you can move around into and setting your shots. You can store presets with this as well. So if you have a preset control, you're going to hit this one. It's going to take you to your shot. 2 and 3 as well, I have set. In order to set the preset, what you're going to do is you're going to adjust your shot. You're going to hit store and then select which position you want it on. So if you want it on 1 through 4, just select that shot. We're going to say 1. So we'll go to 2, and then we'll back to 1. Just like that there. You do have some limited camera control here. You have white bounce, auto, manual, 1 push. And you can set your focus to auto or manual. If you select manual, you'll use these plus and minus signs here to kind of control the focus in and out. And then you also have your manual iris. You can do the same thing. You can brighten it or darken it depending on the need for the shot. And then one last thing, you do have zoom in and out for the camera as well. So once again, on the same network, and on the same network as the computer and then connected here, apply, scan, okay. And you should have communication with the cameras at this point. You'll see that I don't have a C and D camera, so it's not letting me toggle those, but I do have a B camera set up as well here, and I can control that camera.